Hello, my friend. Now I will tell you how to connect this Wi-Fi G assembly system to this Wi-Fi router. Okay, let's test. At first, you need must put the device nearby with this Wi-Fi router. If too long distance, it will be problem. Okay, let's test it. Please choose the last option. Okay. And then we import this app. Okay, choose the second one. Okay, second one. Sorry. Once again, choose the second one. Okay, and then you can see XPG. Now let's choose this Wi-Fi. XPG. Okay, return the app. Okay, now it will be program each other. Let's white. Okay, connect successfully. Okay, and white here. Okay, config okay. So successfully. And let's import the okay. Okay, and now you can see the device.
System disarmed.
Disarm.
System armed.
Okay, and then let's close the Wi-Fi. So you can see this is the SIM card network, and you can SIM card network. And also you can
System disarmed.